Number 5 is LGT Longer LK5 Pro 3D printer. The LGT Longer LK5 Pro is a game-changer in 3D printing Glock frames. Get ready to experience the ultimate printing adventure with this upgraded marvel of technology. Equipped with an extraordinary dual blower kit, this printer ensures that your filament cools down at lightning speed, leaving no room for deformations or pesky wire drawing. Say goodbye to those printing nightmares. But that's not all. The LGT Longer LK5 Pro takes convenience to a whole new level. With its 90% pre-assembled design and generous build size of 300,300,400mm, you'll be up and printing in no time. Its stable triangular structure, reinforced with diagonal rods, guarantees minimal vibrations and maximum printing stability. What sets this printer apart is its silent and open-source motherboard. Powered by the TMC2208 ultra-silent driver, it delivers outstanding performance and reduces noise to a whisper. Embrace your creativity with the freedom of open-source firmware, allowing you to experiment with your wildest ideas by tweaking the G-code. And let's remember the fantastic 4.3-inch full-color touchscreen. Wave goodbye to those clunky manual knobs and dot matrix displays. The optimized UI interface makes operation a breeze, providing real-time printing information at your fingertips. So if you want the 3D printer right now, check out the link in the description box. That's all from us in today's video. Hope you enjoyed this overview of the best 3D printer for Glock frames. If you like any of these best 3D printers, then check out the link provided in the description box below to purchase them right now. Thanks for watching! And please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our sublimation focused channel for more amazing upcoming videos.